to give you this love in my heart.